Oh my goodness, I wanted to share a present from me to me, and I'm so excited this has come today. On a whim, I bought some Ditzy Blue headphones from Amazon, and I'm so excited to unbox them that I thought I'll have to share this with you. I love to listen to an audiobook when I'm driving, or when I'm walking the dog, or when I'm cleaning and tidying up, because it keeps me motivated, keeps me going, keeps me distracted from the journey ahead. But I wanted some that lasted a long time, so I didn't have to keep switching and recharging and everything. And I saw these on Amazon. Oh my word, look at these. These are a big piece of me. So I couldn't get the China Rose ones, which match all my kitchen decor, but we have to go with what we have. And these are the Cath Kidston Skylark true wireless stereo designed Bluetooth earbuds in Floral Blue. And I was unpacking them and I thought, I just need to share this with you. So look at this. Oh, look at those. Absolutely adorable. How nice are these going to be in my handbag? I am so excited. So it said Bluetooth 5.4 compatible. I've no idea if they're compatible with my phone, but they better be. One-step pairing, auto pairing, 10-meter distance, great sound quality, hi-fi stereo sound and richer bass for your favorite music. 200 hours standby time, 6 hours music and talking, incredible battery life, and the charging case, you put your earbuds in and it charges up to 40 hours of playtime from one full charge. Built-in HD microphone for making calls, environmentally noise cancelling, which is really what I need, ergonomic and lightweight design for comfort on the go. Just look at them. So I will open them now and we could all enjoy them together. I know I treat myself to things all the time, but these are going to really help me out. Wreck the box so I can't send them back now. You get a little rule book. I never read rules. You've got your little charger, which is probably a C, I don't know, you tell me, but that's in. Then you get two pairs of spare ear things, because I'm always losing those. Obviously it's coming with the ear little bits on. So it's a silver design, tiny weenie, and it's got the little ear things all ready to go. I need to charge this because I'm going away and these are going to be amazing. I wonder if they've righted them because I'm useless like that. And then the case of dreams. I showed my mum these and said, look what I've ordered. Look at that. Beautiful rosebud detail. Why am I so excited over some earbuds? I don't know. But it's not often I treat myself in a technical capacity. Oh, and their little lilac case. How absolutely adorable. Tell me if you've seen any nicer than that. Oh look, even the hinge is like got the detail on. They are beautiful. Look at those. Am I crazy? Do you know what? Treat yourself. We all work hard, don't we? And we need to look forward to these simple pleasures. Have a lovely week, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.